This conference will now be recorded.
Here, like it may be the first class of Tableau only. It looks like once again the demo session only. Why means we are starting the Tableau. So in this Tableau point of view, however, if you're going to say in this Tableau point of view, before starting any technical concept, first of all we need to understand. However, if you're going to say, we need to understand introduction of Tableau, guys. Introduction of Tableau. That means like who are the founders of Tableau and what are the versions we have in the Tableau? What are the tools we have in the Tableau? That means we have different product lines where I can able to one product line I can able to use for development, other product line where I can able to use for admin, other product line where I can able to use for the client purpose. There are different things are there. So if you're seeing the introduction of Tableau here, in that introduction, there are three founders, Chris. There are three founders, Chris, Pat, and Chabot. What we have, there are three founders will be there. They are the founders of Tableau, guys. What exactly their dream means, they need to build a tool where they don't need to make use of single line of code. What exactly they dream? They want to build a tool where they don't need to make use of single line of code. So far we have reporting tools, not the visualization tools previously. Now the trend should be visualization tools, not the reporting tools, but we will call these visualization tools as reporting tools, but the trend will be visualization tools. Here if you're going to see, we have some three founders. They're the professors from Stanford University, guys. What exactly? They're the professors from Stanford University. What exactly their dream means? They need to build a tool where they don't need to make use of single line of code. For that purpose, they have started their research. They have started their research on 1990. They have started their research on when they have started on 1990 itself. They have started the research of Tableau, guys. And then after 14 years, okay, after 14 years, they came up with a language which is known as VSQL. They came up with a language which is known as VSQL. What this VSQL refers means, visualization query language. What this refers means, visualization query language. Here, however, if you are going to see, this VSQL refers as visualization query language, which we got on 2004. Which we got on 2004 days. If you are going to see, what we have means, like in this point of view, let's we need to understand. And then once again it has taken 4 more years, and they came up with first version of Tableau, which is Tableau 4 on 2008. On 2008 they came up with the first version. Tableau has released on 2008 only. Tableau has released on 2008, but it's not the successful version. Why means, it is not handling the data properly, it is not giving the best performance, it does not have much securities. Then after we got Tableau 5 on 2009. On 2009 will be there. If you are going to see, and then and Tableau 6 on 2010. Tableau 6 on 2010. Tableau 7 on 2012. On 2012. Till here, Tableau is a failure version. Till here, Tableau is a failure version only. Then after, we got Tableau 8, okay, which will be on 2014. This is the successful version of Tableau. This is the successful version of Tableau. The Tableau has been raised the market from 2014 to so far. There is no other reporting tool will not replace Tableau from 2014 to current date. 2014 to current date, it will be the one of the, not one of the best, okay, it will be the first in the reporting area. There are so many tools has came, ClickView, ClickSense, Power BI, there my ThoughtSpot, Domo. There are n number of reporting tools has came to the market, but the market of Tableau has not been decreased at any point of time. But people will tell Power BI it's captured the market. It's captured the market for free purpose, not for the paid purpose. Free annappudu everyone we are going to make use, nothing more than that. So and then Tableau 9, likewise there might be different till right now. Tableau 2022.3 or some 4 will be there, which is on 2023. That is the latest version. That is the latest version. They may ask you in interviews also, what are the advanced features has been came from one version to other version. What are the advanced features has been came from one version to other version. Default interview question, whether you are keeping some experience. Whenever we are keeping the experience, they will think that yes, we have the understanding of the previous versions also, so that they may ask us what are the advanced features has been added from one version to other version. This is how it goes. And once we have done with this, and then what are the different product lines they came up with? What are the different product lines they have came up with? Product lines are components of Tableau. Product lines are components of Tableau. Are components of Tableau, guys. However, if you are going to see what we have, product lines are components of Tableau. In this, if you are seeing this product lines and components, the first product line will be Tableau desktop. The first product line will be Tableau desktop, and the second product line will be Tableau server, and the third product line will be Tableau online, and the fourth product line will be Tableau public, and the fifth product line will be Tableau reader, and the final product line will be Tableau mobile, and the final product line will be Tableau mobile. These are the six product lines which has been provided by Tableau people in reporting area. In reporting area, and we got some more thing which is Tableau prep, which is Tableau prep for data cleaning purpose. Data cleaning purpose. It's not for the reporting purpose. It's for the data cleaning. Before connecting to the data, if there is some unstructured data which does not have the flow, then it can able to create the flows by making use of Tableau prep. Then we got something known as Tableau CRM recently. It's like basically Tableau has been acquired by Salesforce. Yes, Salesforce have a tool which is known as Einstein Analytics. So just they have converted that Einstein Analytics to Tableau CRM. Just they have converted Einstein Analytics to Tableau CRM will be there. So here, however, if you are going to see what we have should be Tableau Prep, and what we have should be Tableau CRM will be there. Right. Likewise, where we can able to make use. I have the Tableau desktop, we have the Tableau server, we have Tableau online, we have Tableau public, we have Tableau reader, and we have the Tableau mobile. And then additionally, what we have should be Tableau prep as well as Tableau CRM. Because at least you need to have some basic understanding of this, and you need to have the in detail understanding of this. Why means we are working as a reporting developer. We are working as a reporting developers case. So here, if you are going to see, there are two different kinds of jobs are there in Tableau. There are two different types of jobs. One, I can able to work as a developer. Other one, we can able to work as an admin. There are two different types of jobs are there. If I want to work as a developer, we have the option of working as a developer. And if I want to work as admin, we have the option of working as a admin. So you need to understand, if I'm a developer, what tool I'm going to make use, what product line I'm going to make use. The entire development activities can be done at Tableau desktop level. The entire development activities can be done at Tableau desktop level. If it is coming for admin relevant activities, all the server and online, where we are going to make use for admin relevant activities. If you are going to see server and online, where we can able to make use for admin relevant activities. If you are going to see Tableau desktop is going to make use for developer purpose. This reader and mobile, where it's going to make use for client. It does not have the job. It's a client. Client means the end user need to see the reports which will be part of Tableau server or Tableau online. So we need to provide as an admin. We are going to give the access for the end users to see the results, guys. So every product line we need to learn, but in this part, this three is important for us. Okay, and remaining everything is a half an hour class. Remaining all these things as a half an hour class. And for the data preparation purpose, where we can able to make use of Tableau prep, it is for reporting and analytics will be there, but it's not the product of Tableau, but we have the name is Tableau. Okay, so at least they may ask you in the interviews, can you tell me what is the difference between Tableau and Tableau CRM? If they're asking, we need to be in an answerable state. No, 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 I don't know Tableau CRM means, because there is a name. Definitely we need to know about that. Whether we don't know the inside stuff, outside of how it works, we need to learn, guys. So in this all the product lines, let's start with first one, which is Tableau desktop. Okay, and who has came now? Okay, class is at 10 only, I think. I also started at 10, 5 minutes late only. Okay, so keep, if I'm late, then nothing will happen. We missed the train like 8:30. Hmm? We missed the train at High City. That's why like 8:30 we are waiting. Fine. Here, let's coming back to the, just for your introduction. Don't think that we missed something. Okay, we haven't missed anything. Okay. Here, if we're going to see, we haven't seen now also what is Tableau. Okay, just we have seen introduction. We have seen introduction. What we have seen the introduction, who are the founders? There are Chris, Pat, and Chabot are the founders. They're the professors from Stanford University. What is their dream means? They need to build a tool where they don't need to make use of single line of code. They want to build a tool where they don't need to make use of single line of code. For that purpose, they came up with a language which is known as Viscal. Viscal is nothing but visualization query language. What is the advantage of that means? That is going to act as a mediator between the data and Tableau. Once if I'm going to use the Viscal, everything should be double click. Everything should be double click only. Nowhere you don't need to write the code. But internally backend it will write the code. But as per the developer point of view, we don't need to write the code. Just double click on the tables, automatically it will perform the joins. And whatever the data you want to apply the filters, you can, we have the option to apply the filters, and you can able to get the data into Tableau. If I use VSQL, then I can call Tableau as a visualization tool. Okay, if I use custom SQL, and I can call Tableau as a reporting tool. Okay, understand? If I use VSQL, I can call Tableau as a visualization tool. If I use SQL, custom SQL, then I can call Tableau as a reporting tool. Tableau is what? Tableau is both. Tableau is both. We cannot call Tableau as only reporting. We cannot call Tableau as only visualization. It comes under both. This is what we discuss. Afterwards, we discuss these are the product lines. I hope we know till here. Then let's go back last slide. What is the latest version? 2022.3. And then if you're going to see, let's start understand what is Tableau. Then we'll go with the product lines. Let's start what is Tableau. Basically, uh, we know what is Tableau actually. Yes, yes or no? What is Tableau? Tableau is a business intelligence tool where we have represented in the data. Hmm. Is a reporting examples. What is the use of Tableau? Why you are telling definition? After seeing the reports, like we can the end users will take. What are reports? Reports are representative. The SQL you know data and the Tableau conversion. That means it's called raw data. See, it's not for that purpose, guys. What you told is correct only, but you need to give that answer in another way. We need to keep as an experience, yes, not pressure, no. Like basically, if you need to convert the data to graphical representations, that means different kinds of charts where you are using the Tableau. Without knowing Tableau, also you can do. Okay, drag and drop, you will get some figure. Okay, whether it's right or wrong, it may be secondary. The first impact should be someone, if you drag and drop, you have get some figure. What they feel, we have done or not done. Something they done that, they think that we have done. Whether it's right or wrong, next in the review level, they can able to find. One advantage of Tableau should be survival will be easy. Why? Survival will be easy. Why means answers you can see at first itself, whether you know the subject or not, but we need to learn the subject. So and then after where we can able to rectify. So let's, if you are going to see what is Tableau means, Tableau is nothing but it's an visualization tool, guys. It's an visualization tool which comes under reporting, and that reporting comes under business intelligence. That reporting comes under business intelligence case. However, if you are going to see, it's a common definition. It's a common definition in current trend for visualization tools. Not for Tableau. It's for Power BI. It's for ClickSense. It's for some other visualization tool. It's a common definition. Why means all are reporting tools. Definitely, the concept never change in every reporting tool, guys. Just the tool change. Okay, just how to use only, but concept never changed from Excel to so far. From Excel, you have filters, you have actions, you have sets, you have groups. So One advantage of learning reporting, whenever the new tool is coming, you don't want to learn the concept because you know the concept in the previous reporting tool itself. Just you need to understand how the tool behaves, how the tool behaves. So it's a visualization tool which comes under reporting. That reporting comes under business intelligence. All the reporting tools and all the visualization tools will be part of BA tools. All the reporting and visualization tools will be part of BA tools. Then here, if you're going to see what Tableau can do, we are telling what is Tableau, but what Tableau can do means, by the help of Tableau, by the help of a Tableau, the first thing should be where we can develop the reports. The first part should be we can able to develop the reports, the first part. And by the help of Tableau, by the help of Tableau, the next part should be, however, if you're going to see, one should be we can able to develop the reports, and second part should be where we can secure the reports, where we can secure the reports. This may be the second part, and the final part should be where we can view the reports, where we can view the reports. Here, if you are going to see, one I can able to develop the reports, other I can able to secure the reports, and the final part should be where we can able to view the report. So here, the first what we are calling, we can able to develop the reports, no, all that things comes under development area. All that things comes under development area. Second, what we are telling, we can able to secure the reports, no, that all the things comes under admin area. However, if you are going to see, all these things comes under admin area, guys. However, if you are going to see, all these things comes under admin area. And then where we can able to view the reports, that all these things comes under client area. All these things comes under client area. Here, these are the three different areas any reporting tool, guys, not for Tableau. Whenever you are learning Tableau, keep Tableau only, but keep in the mind reporting tools. Okay, keep in the mind BA tools. Okay, so that it will be easy. Sometimes they may ask you in the interview also, can you tell me what is the difference between Tableau and Power BI? Okay, so at least you need to have some base understanding. You don't require, but what are the disadvantages of that and what are the advantages of Tableau? We need to aware of that case. So here, if you are going to say one, I can able to develop, secure is nothing but admin, view is nothing but client. So let's start with development part. Let's start with development part. Here, the development can be done by what? Tableau desktop. The development can be done by what? Tableau desktop. Here, let's go with Tableau desktop. However, if you're going to see, let's start with Tableau desktop. If you're going to see what exactly about this Tableau desktop and how we can able to make use, What is our source? What is our source? Data only, always don't to be in confusion, because without that you cannot do anything in Tableau. And not only in Tableau, any reporting tool, our input should be data. Data source you can call. That may be in the form of files, or that may be in the form of servers. Servers are nothing but databases. Any kind of database or any kind of file. So what we know, our input should be data. Here I have my data source. That data source may be in the form of files, or that data source may be in the form of servers. Servers are nothing but databases. And then here we have our tool which is known as Tableau Desktop. Here we have our tool which is known as Tableau Desktop. However, if you are going to see, what we have means, we have our tool which we can able to call it as Tableau Desktop. By the help of Tableau Desktop, I can able to connect with source system, okay, and I can pull the data from data source to Tableau. Once I get that data into Tableau, by making use of this Tableau Desktop, where I can able to transform the data in the form of reports, where we can able to transform the data in the form of reports. However, if you are going to see, where we can able to transform the data in the form of reports, that reports may be here. Let's understand that reports may be what? It may be sheets, it may be dashboards, or it may be storyboards. What we have, I can able to build a sheet we can able to build the dashboard, we can able to build the storyboard. Okay, as a developer, what is your work means? You need to generate these three only, not more than that. Once you generate, you need to publish this one to Tableau server or online. Leave about that part, you will get to know. So as of now, what you require, you need to generate the sheets, dashboards and storyboards. What we are doing means, by the help of Tableau desktop, by the help of Tableau desktop, we can connect with source system, we can connect with source system, and we will get the data, and we will get the data into Tableau environment, and then we will transform the data, and then we will transform the data in the form of reports, in the form of a report, guys. And that reports may be what we discuss. We have some level of reports, we have some level of reports will be there. In that level of reports, the first one is sheet. What is sheet? You need to understand what is sheet. You need to understand, suppose, let's think that I have the data employee number. Okay, employee name, generic example case, department name, and department ID, and salary will be there. Let's think this one. So I want to build a report like department wise salary. Okay, that is individual report, yes or no? That comes under one sheet. And I want a report employee wise salary, that is one more sheet. I want a salary with some other field. Okay, with some other field, that is also individual report. That means every individual reports where you can able to do at sheet level. What is dashboard means? It may be collection of all individual reports, it may be collection of all individual reports. That means sheets are nothing but each and every individual task, each and every individual task we will perform at sheet level, we will perform at sheet level. What we can do, where we can able to perform at sheet level. What are dashboards? Dashboards is nothing but where we can place number of sheets into one place, which is known as dashboard, guys. What is storyboard? Storyboard is nothing but it may be the collection of sheet, it will be collection of sheets and dashboards at one place, which is known as storyboard, in the form of story point. You need to understand what storyboard includes means story points. What storyboard includes means story points. What story point includes means sheet or dashboard. What story point includes means sheet or dashboard. You will get to know about that, guys. Leave as of now. Okay, but understand what it is. Okay, how to build, what circumstances we are going for the storyboard, and is there any interactivity on the storyboard, is there any logic we can able to write, whether we can able to keep some actions. There are a lot of activities on the technical part. Leave about that. So just you are going to understand what there might be. As a developer, what you will do, you will generate the sheets, you will generate the dashboards, as well as you will generate the storyboards, guys. And once you have done, if you want to build this all these things, you need to aware of almost 35 concepts in the Tableau desktop. Okay, if you know these concepts, then as per end user requirement we can build. Without knowing any concept also we can build in Tableau. Why means it's a drag and drop. But as per the end user requirement, if you need to build, you need to aware of all the concepts, let's discuss Tableau concepts. Here, if you're going to see what are the concepts we have in the tableau, we need to go step by step, guys. We don't need to go somewhere in hurry. The first thing should be we seen some introduction. Yes, once we have seen the introduction, the first concept should be Tableau desktop installation. The first importance will be you need to know how to install the Tableau. Once we have installed the Tableau, the second concept should be Tableau workspace. The next understanding, once I install the Tableau, you need to understand what are the options we have in the tool. What are the options we have from the tool? And the third one should be once you have installed, okay, once you know the workspace, then what you want to do, you need to know how to connect with the data. What are the connection types we have? And in that connection types, what is the difference between that connection types? Everything you need to know. Once you connected with data, then the next part should be how to build some basic visualization. How to build some basic visualization. Once I build the basic visualization, how to work with multiple dimensions, okay, and then how to work with multiple measures. Once you build the basic visualization, the next concept should be how to make use of more than one dimension, more than one measure, or two measures, or three measures, or four measures, depends on the requirement. Once you have done, how to keep the filters above the reports, how to keep the filters above the reports, and how to create the sets on the reports, how to create the groups on the reports, how to create the bins on the reports, how to add the relationship between the fields. That can be happened by the help of hierarchies. And what is annotation? How to highlight the fields? Any specific field I want to highlight, what concept you are going to use? That can be annotation. And what is paging? Okay, how to get some external images into Tableau. Here, if you're going to see, I need to get some external images which is not part of Tableau. Suppose I want to keep my photo in Tableau. Okay, I'm building one dashboard, or I am telling about myself. Okay, and I want to show my photo. No, on that time, Tableau have my photo. No, no. So I want to export that photo from other place to, I need to import that one to Tableau, and then I need to use my photo in the dashboard. So that can be happened by the help of image processing will be there. And then once you have generated the report, you need to know how to save and how to export. Okay, how to save the reports and how to export the reports. And then you need to know how to combine the reports, how to combine the tables, how to combine the tables, joins and cross database joins. Okay, cross database joins. And then we got the concept which is known as relationships, which is known as relationship. This is the current trend. Okay, the joins are not there, cross database joins are not there, but we are using, don't think that it's not there. Okay, but the current trend should be relationships. Then after, what we have should be data blending. However, if you are going to see, what we have should be data blending is here. What we have should be data blending. However, if you are going to see data blending, and then next thing should be, once you know the joins, cross database joins, relationship, and we have the data blending, then we need to understand what are the different types of charts you can able to build. Okay, what are the advanced charts? Okay, Tableau has been provided 24 different types of charts. Okay, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, histogram, bubble chart, box and whisker plot. There are 24 charts which are default, which are default. Sometimes you need to build some donut chart. Okay, sometimes you need to build some waterfall chart. Sometimes you need to build some bump chart. Sometimes you need to build some network chart. Sometimes you need to build some Pareto chart. Sometimes you need to build some bar and bar chart. That is not the default chart. That is not the default chart in Tableau, but you need to know how to build. How to build. That concept comes under advanced charts. And we have the concept of custom SQL. We have the concept of custom SQL. And we have the concept of parameters. One of the most important topics should be parameters. One of the most important topics should be parameters. Why? Means it will add some interactivity between the user and visualization. There are n number of concepts has been dependent on parameter, but in parameter we can use in n number of concepts. You can use in filters, you can use in sets, you can use in bins, you can use in reference lines, you can use in calculation. This many concepts the parameter is going to make interactive. Then after, here, oh my god, sorry. Here, however, if you're going to see, what we have should be actions. What we have should be actions. And what actions will do? Once again, it is going to add the interactivity. Once again, it's going to add the interactivity between the user and visualization. And other one should be, after actions, what we have should be sorting will be there. And other one should be, what we have should be maps will be there. What we have should be maps will be there. We have sorting, we have maps will be there. And then here, if you're going to see, is there any other concept? Means, like, we have analytics part will be there. We have some analytics part. In that analytics part, what we have should be forecasting, and what we have should be reference lines. What we have should be reference lines, and what we have should be trend lines. What we have should be trend lines will be there, and the next thing should be the most important aspect in Tableau should be calculations. Okay, remaining all the concepts by understanding the tool you will get. Okay, but calculation you need to write your logic, you need to write your logic. In this calculation we have functions, functions we have table calculations, we have LODs, we have LODs are nothing but level of detail functions, level of detail function, but it's important for us, so much of important, and we need to be too good, you need to do the practice. Then you have the dashboards, then we have the storyboards, then we have the storyboards. However, if you're going to say, then we have the storyboards likewise, where we can able to make use of getting the results. I hope we haven't missed any concept. If we miss one or two concepts, we have missed. Okay, it's not more than that, but mostly saving. And I think we haven't been, we have written, and we missed one concept which is clipboard. Okay, we missed the concept which is known as clipboard will be there. Hopefully not more than that. Okay, these are the concepts which we need to understand in this concepts. Okay, there are some core concepts of Tableau. Okay, this is one core, this is one core area, and this is one more core area, one more core area. And interactivity point of view, there are three concepts: actions, parameters, filters. In filters we have quick filter, that is user interactivity. Action, user interactivity. Parameter, user interactivity is nothing but whenever user is selecting something, based on his selection, automatically visualization need to change. And I miss one more topic: format. Here we have one more. Why we remember this one means, if you want to make the reports in more meaningful way, like the first impression is what? Look and feel of the report. Then we will see whether it have the logic, whether it is performing well or not. The first impression should be look and feel of the dashboard. This all the things are needed for us. This all the things are needed. With this, okay, 1 minute please. With this, at last, storyboard we are not going to use repeatedly, guys. Just we have a word which is storyboard, but mostly we work for dashboards. Okay, for end users will see only the dashboards, not the storyboards. If I want, I have built the dashboard, guys. Let's think that we build the dashboard, and before publishing the dashboard, what you require. So మన డాష్బోర్డ్ కరెక్టా తప్ప అని అయితే చూసుకోవాలా లేదా? ఐ హోప్ ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ తెలుగు. Hope everyone knows Telugu, yes?
Yes, sir.
Shweta, Tejasvi, Sandeep. Sandeep, I hope you don't know. Okay. If you know, then it may be good. Okay. Fine. Here, whatever we have, once if I want to build, okay, once if I want to build a meaningful dashboard, what you required means, first what we discuss, guys, what we discuss? Attractivity. Attractivity is nothing but look and feel. Attractivity means don't think in other way. Okay, attractivity is nothing but look and feel of the dashboard is most important, first thing. And the second thing should be interactivity. Yes or no? The next important should be interactivity on the dashboards, that means user and visualizations. And third one should be validation. Suppose if I build my dashboard, okay, and if the values are matching with the database values or not, you need to check before you are publishing to the end user. So validation, you will get to know all. And other one should be performance, because I build a dashboard, but it whenever user is selecting some filter, it is taking 2 minutes to load the dashboard. Anyone will see our dashboard? No one. If let's think that you came for the class, okay, and the class is at 10 o'clock, you are staying till 10:45. Okay, you will stay in the classroom till 10:45. We will go out and we will tell, okay, we'll come second time demo, will not come. Okay, that will be fine. Then the last one should be securities, and the last one should be securities. You need to know this all these things. If you know this all these things, there is no difference between the real time and you. It's a simple logic. If you know these five aspects, there is no difference between the real time and you. The only difference when we'll get means we know the concept, but we don't know how to implement that concept. We know the concepts, but we don't know where to use, how to implement, where to keep the securities, how to improve the performance. Because the questions, this everyone is a question here. Securities means they may ask us how to keep the user level filters and row level security, but we don't know. Okay, next thing they may ask us how to check the performance first. Then they will ask us how to improve the performance of the dashboard. One is at dashboard level, other one is data level, other one is server level. There are three questions: how to improve the performance at the dashboard level, how to improve the performance at database level, how to improve the performance at server level. That's we don't know. And how to validate the reports means we don't know. Where the underlying query will stores, we don't know. Okay. And how to keep the interactive, how to publish the reports from Tableau desktop to Tableau server, we know. But what is embedded data source and published data source separately means we don't know. Because we know how to publish, but inside that we don't know what is the difference between embedded data source and published data source separately. There are some questions, guys, which will separate the learner and the worker. The only difference should be there are here. I can give you assurance better than anyone. You will tell properly. Better than a real time guy in this concept. You will tell better than real time guy. Okay, in this concept. But if it is coming for this, we will be zero. We will be zero. But real time person will answer every question because most of the cases he is going to implement this. So once you are implement this, and if you know this all the concepts, there is nothing difference between them and us. But make sure how to implement, where to implement that all the stuff, guys. So that's what the concepts what we have in the Tableau desktop, and we are going to discuss the base concepts from Tableau desktop onwards, desktop installation onwards, guys. Do you have any questions so far here? Sir, ఏం క్వశ్చన్ లేవంటే అసలు ఏం అర్థం కాలేదని లేదా అంత అర్థమైందని. ఓకే, సో if you're not understanding also nothing will happen, guys, but do some practice. Okay, no one will not get everything at start, but practicing definitely I can give you assurance that you will get. So that sharing the video reference, no, just see one or two times so that you will understand the concept clearly, then do one or two times practical stuff, guys. Hope online people, do you have any questions? Shweta, do you have any questions, Shweta? No, sir. Sandeep, Mamata, Tejashwi, Ganesh. Fine, guys. Okay. Let's go through this. At least why I'm stopping means tomorrow, if one or two people added means they don't want to get some confusion because it's a base thing. We haven't started any Tableau. So tomorrow person also can able to understand easily because it's an introduction. So tomorrow means not Sunday. Okay. Not Sunday.